Hi guys, it's Kieran Batt from AccelTex Solutions,
I'm John Pearce, Product Manager for Mounting and Enclosure Solutions.
and this is the Deep Dive series. This is a series which we'll be doing where we go into a casual conversation about our chosen products for the video. Today's product in particular is the PoE heated and cooled enclosure. John, what is this?
Yeah, so this is a basic enclosure for an access point, and we make sure that it is heated and cooled for specific environments, and you do all that through Power over Ethernet.
Okay, and who would this be for?
Typical customers who have an outdoor environment are going to want an enclosure like this because it's weatherized and it maintains your access point in a specific environment.
Nice. And what problem do they solve, or what benefit is there to using this enclosure in particular?
Yeah, absolutely. So I mentioned that the enclosure is weatherized, so that's good. And then we provided a basic cooling element and a regulator in there to make sure that the access point is always in its operating temperatures, whether you're in Canada or in Death Valley, New Mexico, somewhere in the middle.
Nice. And are these customizable at all?
Yeah, absolutely. So, we can do something completely turnkey. In fact, you can even give us all the devices you want to put into the box and we'll assemble it locally. Or we can provide you just the enclosure by itself or somewhere in between.
Okay, nice. Should we take a look at the enclosure just to give an idea of what it might look like?
Yeah, absolutely. I'll take us to our website. So this is one of our basic 14-12-6 heated and cooled enclosures. 14-12-6 is a good size for putting the access point as well as all of the things you'll need for a basic heated and cooled system, like your thermostat, maybe a surge suppressor, your power over Ethernet, those kind of things, right? And then just taking a quick look right here, you kind of see all the things I just said. You've got a back plate for mounting the access point. And there's just a very simple fan. And this is sufficient to maintain the operating conditions of your access point.
Thank you so much for watching today. This has been our first video on the Deep Dive series, and I really appreciate you for sticking it through to the end. If you have any questions on anything we discussed or any other products in our portfolio, please feel free to reach out. The link to this product in particular will be in the link in the description below. We will be continuing this Deep Dive series on a regular basis, so if there's any products that you'd like to talk about in particular or know about, please let us know. We'll be sure to mention it. Thank you for your time today, John. I really can't look forward enough to the next one.
Yeah, of course. Anytime. You guys take care.